Beyond the Stars, the podcast where we share amazing facts about space. I'm Akira.
And my name is Naomi.
And my name is Keirra.
And I'll start first with my own fun fact that I learned. It's about the Milky Way galaxy. Did you guys know that the Milky Way galaxy absorbs, or such as eating other galaxies, and it continues for another billion years and continues to absorb smaller galaxies?
Well, that's incredible. I couldn't believe that. And yeah, here's fun facts from me. Did you know that we, the planet Earth, is actually live in the edge of the Milky Way galaxy, not in the center of it?
Wow, that's amazing. And did you know our galaxy contains 100 billion stars to 400 billion stars, and the sun is the biggest one?
Oh, wait, really? There are so many stars. I couldn't believe it. I thought they were uncountable. Well, I got a last fact that I learned. It's that actually the Milky Way galaxy has a halo. You can't really see it, but it's made out of stars.
And here's the last for me. Did you actually know that in a 4 billion years, our galaxy, the Milky Way galaxy, is actually, they will crash into another bigger galaxy called Andromeda galaxies.
And our galaxy is just one of them. There is many more galaxies. And let me ask you guys some question. What do you think is the most interesting planet?
I think it's Saturn. Well, that's because no, it's actually a fact because the Saturn's ring is actually made out of thin ice. What about you?
I think for me it's the Jupiter because it's the biggest planet. What about you?
Well, in my opinion, the planet that made me interested too is actually the planet Mars, because there are many scientists say that in the future we will live in the planet Mars.
Well, thank you. That's all from us.
And goodbye. Yay.